Hey there, this video is specifically for the parents and students of the alternative ed students. When they are completing work at home, I want to run through what you will be working on again as we've continued to work on this and getting used to those routines that you're going to have while you're at home. Starting off, what you're looking at here is the assignment book and plan book, and this is where you're going to go to figure out what the teachers are doing in class every day. All right, and so this is where you're going to find out what you're going to be looking at. As we've heard, this can be a little overwhelming with all everything in there. So what I would suggest is you can go up here to the filters and you can click on day. And when you click on that, it takes it just down to one day instead of having the entire week all at once. All right. You can even do filter and you can turn off the other classes that you're not looking at. So it is only one class at a time. All right. There are routines set up that you should be getting used to for math and science. The math routine, it's got 3 steps to it right now. You got the problem of the day, you got the lesson video, and I usually have the pages in there, but I don't have them in there yet. And then you have the homework and practice pages in the book. The homework and practice pages in the book were for practice, all right? So you don't have to do those. They're just for extra practice, but do not need to be finished. And then at the bottom, you have the homework, which is on either the HMH player or on the Think Central. If we turn on science, science goes by week, but each day it's going to tell you what we're doing in class. So on this Monday, we're doing lab on page 2 as a demonstration, and then there's a video to go with it. And it will follow so that each day we're doing, every Monday we do pretty much the same thing. Every Tuesday we do the same thing. So it's by a week is how that pattern will go, and you'll get more used to that as weeks as we go along. I want to show you, I rearranged Google Classroom from feedback I was getting so that hopefully it makes more sense to you and you guys can find things more easily. In all honesty, the kids in the class, I walk around the room and we're all on the same page. Parents, I can't walk to your house and I'll help you out. So I tried to make it as easy as I could for you. A little more work for me, but it's not too bad. We'll look at science first. Science is set up by a week. What you need to go to, and you come here, you don't want to stay on this page. You want to click on classwork. Classwork is how everything is organized. If there was a setting, I'd make it go to classwork first. And then you can see that I have the dates up here for what we're doing. And so this is August 14th to the 21st, chapter 1, lesson 1. So what we're working on is this stuff in here. This is everything that you will have for chapter 1, lesson 1. The first thing is the ebook. All right, it's the textbook is all that is. All right, you don't have to use this one. You can use the paper pencil one you got, but it'll be up to you and your child to read through the lesson and answer those questions. The lesson check is the homework that I will grade on Friday. All right, so it's due Thursday night, so it's due Friday morning, I should say. But the lesson check, they start on it on Friday, and then they got until next Friday to get it turned in. So that it goes for the entire week. As we're reading the lesson, the kids in class can make changes to it and everything. Kids at home should do this on their own first, and then parents should check it and make corrections together. This is okay to help your kids with. All right. Quizlet review is just a game way of going over the lesson. Okay, we do this in class on Thursday, but at home, if you want to do it every day or just Thursday, it's up to you. But it's there for you to use. And then Friday test will not show up until Friday and will be gone on Monday at 3 p.m. All right. It is open book multiple choice test available Friday at 8 a.m. until Monday at 3 p.m. All right. So it's only going to be open for that window. It is open book. Take your time. Look all those answers up. That's the point of the test in science is to use those reading skills and go back in and find those answers. All right. So that is 1 week of science. Hope that putting them in there like that is going to be a lot more helpful to you. And as you can see, I've already got the next week started in there. Just make sure that you're paying attention. I put the dates in there. I'm hoping that's going to help you guys out. I did change math too, and hopefully make it easier for you. Again, you want to click on classwork. That's where you're going to want to go. Now, if you remember from looking at the plan book, there are 3 steps. All right. If we go down here to Monday's lesson, all right, it's 1.5, and then I put the date in there again. The 3 steps: 1.5 problem of the day, 1.5 place value multiplication exponent video. It cuts off, but that's the video. And then the HMH player homework. All right, complete this homework assignment in the HMH player. On the Chromebooks, that's at the very bottom. It's a yellow app. If you download it onto a different computer, you can go down into the type to search, or type here to search in the bottom corner, and you type in HMH Player app, and it'll find it for you on the computer. Or if you're doing it somewhere else and you don't, it's not your computer, you're not downloading the app, you don't have the app downloaded, you can also do the homework on Think Central. Don't do the homework twice, all right? It's either the HMH Player or Think Central. The homework, it just takes you to the same spot, but Think Central is the online platform for it, all right? HMH Player is the app to get to the homework, all right? But you'll do the homework online, either through the HMH Player or Think Central. And now I've made it its own little thing in there so you don't forget to do the homework after these 2 things. So you can see, and I went ahead and did it so that they're ready for next year. I know we've already done 1.4, but I've got them in there and organized like that. Hope that helps you out. Hope that makes it easier for you to find things. We'll warn you as I put things into Google Classroom. You can see I'm already starting on 1.11, which isn't for a little while, but it puts everything at the top. So you're going to have to always scroll down in ClassWorks. Don't forget to go to ClassWorks up here at the top. You have to scroll down to the day we're on. All right. Keep up the good work. We're getting through this together. Get used to that routine, and it'll get a lot easier the further we go. Thanks.